Good day to you. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, sir. I'm Magdalene Galisa Bello, 37 years old, single, and have two sons. The ages is 16 years old and 5 years old. Living at Concepcion, Luna, Isabela. I have one brother and one sister. I'm the second child of the family. I'm college level. I took hotel and restaurant management.
Okay. Can you tell me your work experience?
I'm more an experience in Saudi Arabia as a domestic helper in more than 1 year and 6 months. So a couple with two children, ages 5 years old and 3 months old. I do all household chores like cleaning, ironing, cooking, washing the car, and the main duty is taking care of the children.
Okay. In your previous employer, how would you take care of the children, especially when sick?
I always securing the safety of children. When the baby is sick, I will check the temperature and tell to my employer
Okay. How would you describe yourself?
to be more patient and calm.
How would you describe yourself?
I'm honest, responsible person.
Okay. Do you have any tattoo?
No, sir.
Do you have surgery or serious sickness before?
Yes, sir. I have an surgery section CS in more than 6 years.
Okay. Do you have an allergy to certain food?
No, sir.
Do you smoke and drink alcohol?
No, sir.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I work abroad to provide my financially for my family.
Okay. If you get hired, who will take care of your children?
My mother, sir.
If you're homesick, what would you do?
I focus to myself and I focus to my work and remind to myself that this job is need to my family.
Okay. What time do you usually sleep and wake up when you were working?
I sleep around 10 p.m. and wake up 5 a.m.
Okay. Are you the one who do the cooking and marketing at home?
Yes, sir.
Sometimes kids are super active and they tend to be out of control. How would you control your temper?
To be calmer and patient.
Do you accept no day off but to be paid instead by your employer?
Yes, sir.
When you visited the parents, relatives, and friends of your employer, will you help and do the housework there?
Yes, sir.
Can you promise not to lend money in Hong Kong?
Yes, sir.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, sir.
Are you willing to share room with kids?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise not to use cell phone during working hours?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise to finish your contract?
Yes, sir. I needed an extend.
Can you cook Chinese food?
No, sir, but I'm willing to learn.
Can you sing a nursery song?
Yes, sir. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the time.
Okay, what is your message to your future employer?
Good day, ma'am. I hope you select me as your helper. I'm responsible person. I'm honest, hardworking, and I promise to serve your family to all my best. Thank you.